Hi guys, I'm Susan, and in this video we're going to be tackling problem 24 from test number 2 in the red book. So pause the video and read the problem now, and then we'll come back. All right, so we've got another word problem here, and this one I would say some of you probably read it and immediately knew how to do it, and some of you probably read it and had no idea what you were doing. So if you're in the no idea category, feel free to skip this the first time around and come back and work on it after you've gotten all that low-hanging fruit from other spots on the test. But if you knew what you're doing right away, that's great. Go ahead and do it on your first sweep. So let's work through our word problem strategy. The first thing we're always going to do is read the whole problem and figure out what is it asking us to solve. In this case, that's how many combinations of one junior and one senior can we make. Then we're going to read the problem one sentence at a time to figure out how many combinations of one junior and one senior there are. So we know there's 125 juniors, 100 seniors, and we need one of each in each combination, one junior and one senior. So now we're going to solve to figure out how many combinations there are. And this is a stats equation. You may know it right away or you might not. The equation is just going to be multiplying the number of juniors by the number of seniors. You're going to multiply the number of things available in each part of the combination. So here we just have 125 times 100 equals 12,500. Which is option K. And the reason this works, you can kind of think about it logically. If there's 125 juniors, that means there's going to be at least 125 combinations because you could line each of them up with a senior. And that would be just lining each of them up with one senior, let alone each combination possible, which would be lining them up with every senior. So you would do that 100 times, one for each senior. And that's why there's so crazy many combinations, 12,500. You can also use trial and error a little bit for this. The first few options, I think the first three are like 25, 100, and 125. And just thinking about it logically, you know there has to be more combinations than that because of what we just talked about. So you can go ahead and cross those off, and if you don't know this equation and you can't figure it out, worst case, you're just guessing between the last two options available. And that's how you do this one.